struggling with managing your cash flow? Does it always feel like there's a gap between what you have and what you need? In this video, I'm going to talk about 3 important tips to turn around your cash flow successfully. Did you know cash flow management is the most important part of running a business? Even profit-making businesses can easily go into liquidation if they can't manage their cash flow appropriately. My suggestion is take some notes and put this in action to control the cash flow. You will definitely see the benefit of this. My first tip is building an easy basic Excel sheet. The point is this Excel sheet will become your cash flow forecast. I would like you to list out all incoming receipts and outgoings on this spreadsheet. I also would like you to print out each debtors list from the accounting system, and I would like you to run through each customer balances and identify well overdue balances and give them an actual payment, please. Because if you don't shout out loud, you're not going to be in their urgent payment list whatsoever. As you find out when the payments are due to be coming in, I would like you to put those amounts in your Excel sheet, depending on the timing, tomorrow for tomorrow, next day or next week. I also would like you to print out a trade creditors list from the accounting system and take those supplier balances, depending on when they are due, put them in your Excel sheets, please. Please do not forget your direct debit payments, PAYE, VAT, taxation, rent and rates, salaries and so on. These payments will play a key role in your cash flow as well. So the point is here, we would like to make your cash flow dynamics visible, so you will be able to identify the gap in your cash flow and you will be able to manage it appropriately. My second tip is invoice your customers on time, accurately and automated way. Your accounting system will play a key role here. However, as quickly as you invoice your customers, as quickly as you will get paid. My third tip is you should always spare cash buffer each month parked in the saving account for bad days. Just a small amount does the trick really, and gradually each month it will build up. When you need it, it will be there to utilize. If you need any help with this Excel sheet, if you need the cash flow forecast in Excel sheet, please drop me a message. I can quickly put it together for you so you can start using it straight away. If you need any help with cash flow management, financial management, my name is Yeşim. I am specialist in financial management for manufacturing and engineering sector, but I would be very happy to help you out for cash flow management in this difficult time as well. If you need any help or support, drop me a message. I would be happy to help you out. And thank you for listening and all the best. Thank you.